So we just got back from the grocery store. We went to Trader Joe's, and honestly, like I said to Ryan, let's just stock up on specifically like any Trader Joe's products you want, because waiting in line for 45 minutes to an hour is just not something I need to do in the near future. So let me show you the items that we got. Okay, here's our huge Trader Joe's haul. I'm gonna start up top here and make my way down. Actually, let me talk about the frozen food so I can put this away really quickly. We got sweet potato gnocchi. We absolutely love this stuff. We put it into the air fryer. It gets nice and crispy at 400 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes, depends on how crispy you want. Ryan really loves this Mandarin orange chicken. I don't eat this, but he really likes this. He also really likes the vegetable fried rice that goes along with it. This is definitely like his comfort food. Not the healthiest option, but you know, if you want to have a little comfort, this is great. If you like Panda Express, he said this is a great alternative. And then we got the Gone Berry Crazy dark chocolate covered strawberry pieces. Look how cute that little bunny is. I've never had these before. They had these in the bananas and strawberries, but I thought this would be a nice little treat to have at night right before you go to bed. You know, if you want something sweet but to just stay healthy, you just have a little bit of chocolate. Oh wow, so for 6 pieces it's 100 calories, 15 carbs, 12 sugars, and no protein, but that's pretty good for 6. I mean, I was only thinking of having 1 or 2. And then over here, Ryan really wanted to make his mom's turkey meatballs. He makes them with grape jelly and some like other sauce. I'm not really into the whole grape jelly in meatballs thing. I think I'm gonna try it one more time just because I know he loves it, but typically I'm like not a jelly meatball fan. So we got those. Oh, is that it for the freezer section? Okay, great. Let me just put these away and then we'll keep talking. And we've been eating a lot of eggs lately. Scrambled eggs, eggs in hash, just sometimes, you know, eggs on a piece of toast, whatever. So we've been going through a lot of eggs recently, and then we have been going through a lot of salads. I'm not typically a salad person because I always find that my salad gets super slimy and it's just not great after a few days. So we just like crush it within the first 2 days and then freeze the spinach for our smoothies, our protein shakes. And then over here we have a whole chicken because I'm gonna make that roasted chicken that I made in a past vlog. We have some salmon. I love fish. I just love it. I could be a pescatarian, truly. I'm obsessed with seafood. Then I got some microgreens to put on top of my eggs. Ryan loves the Caesar salad from Trader Joe's. He'll have that for lunch one day. We stocked up on ground chicken and turkey. We use this in pretty much everything. Ryan makes these great chicken burgers. Sometimes we make bolognese with this. There's so much you can do with ground chicken and turkey, so we got some of that. These corn pea quinoa crisps are a really great alternative to chips. Over here, Ryan wanted to try the gluten-free rice pasta and cheddar. I thought that was kind of cool that it was rice pasta instead of your typical pasta. I've never seen that before, so I'll report back to you on what he thinks about this. Then he also got the organic mini cheese sandwich crackers, the ones that look like when you were younger and your mom would put them into your lunchbox. They're so cute. I haven't seen these before. They're little minis. I never was into them. I thought the cheese in the middle was really creepy to me. I don't know why. I'm really weird about my food. It's cool that they have like a healthier version of those for children and Ryan. Then I saw this Wholesome coconut palm sugar. I'm trying not to do any baking, anything like that, but I did see this brand. I love this brand, and I thought I'd rather have coconut palm sugar in my house if I were to happen to have to make something and swap it out for the refined sugar. So I did pick that up. If you hear Ryan in the background, it's because he's talking to his friends on his little gaming device, so excuse him. I got organic chicken stock so that I can make some chicken soup or lentil soup. And then over here, the Gummy Tummies are one of his favorite candies, as well as mine, but we decided we're only getting 1 to 2 treats so that, you know, we don't have too many in the household. So this is one of his treats, and I said, you better make this last because we are not going back. 1 for each week, or make it stretch to 4, because that was quite the ordeal. Then organic brown rice pasta. We usually get the brown rice and quinoa pasta, but he didn't realize that. He picked this one up. It's fine. It's kind of the same thing. Organic ketchup, because he was complaining we didn't have ketchup the other day. So I was like, you know what? We don't really eat ketchup, but we're just gonna have it. So if you need it, we got it. Sweet potato ribs he saw and that would be cool to throw into the air fryer and make our own version of healthy sweet potato fries. Then we got some broccoli florets, carrots, fresh basil. I love to put fresh basil and stuff. I just love herbs. Have a special guest here. Girlfriend, it's now your time to eat. Mirepoix, this is just like the gold mine of cooking. It's amazing. Mirepoix is what you pretty much put in everything. Carrot, onion, and celery. Deliciousness. It's the great base to many, many meals. Then we have queso. Ryan likes to eat queso. He's definitely getting healthier, and which is nice because when I have snacks and stuff in the house, it's just not good for me. I have no self-control. So I like him to get snacks that I don't like. And then we have tomato basil marinara so he can make his famous bolognese. I got some oat milk for my lattes, like my golden milk lattes or any smoothies that we're gonna make. Ryan and I discovered tangerine juice. Oh wait, wait, oh no. Did I get, oh man, this one's more expensive than this one. Whoops, okay, whatever, same thing. Basically, tangerine juice, in Ryan's opinion, is way better than orange juice, and I have to agree, it is a little bit more tart, but it's delicious, and we thought, let's try to get our vitamin C in during this time, so we have like a super small little glass of it each day. Then over here, we have some brown rice tortillas, because we're gonna have Taco Tuesday one night, and I really like the brown rice tortillas. They're low in carbs, they're very easy to make like a little bit crispier if you like a crispy taco like I do. And then I got some lentils if I want to make some lentil soup and have some protein, maybe a more vegetarian meal option. This was Ryan's second option of something bad, the pink and white cookies. And then over here we got lucky, people. We got 2 hand sanitizers. This is a great scent. It's the grapefruit and lemon. I used to get this before it was all sold out. They're only allowing 1 per person, which is fair, And then we got the tea tree hand soap. He really likes this. It doesn't agitate his hands, and Ryan has very, very sensitive hands. So I was surprised because this tea tree was pretty strong, but it works for him, so that's good. And then moving along over here, we just have a few more snack items. I got the organic extra virgin olive oil popcorn. I love this stuff. I typically like to pop my own popcorn, but this is a good alternative if you ran out of kernels, and I did, and I'm not going to another store. And then Ryan got the barbecue pop ridges. Stormy is licking the camera. Girl, you just can't help yourself. You always want to be on camera. You so famous. You so famous, girl. Check her out on Instagram, Adventures of Stormy. Then we also got organic blue corn tortilla chips to go with the queso. Ryan got these. I don't know why he got these. Oh, he likes to dip these in the garlic spread. I didn't even talk about the garlic spread. Garlic spread is my favorite thing of life currently. I cannot believe I forgot to talk about the garlic spread. This stuff is amazing. I love this so much. I love to put it on any turkey burgers. Ryan likes to dip crackers in it. That's why he got those water crackers. I just like to put it on my eggs. Anything. It's amazing. It's just garlic, oil, and salt. It's great. Then I got some rice cauliflower for like rice nights with our meal. Oh wait, I did get some fresh produce. I don't know if you care about that, but let's show you. We did get some fresh produce, but we try to limit it just because things go bad quickly and we're really not trying to eat over the amount we need to. So tomatoes, I can always have tomatoes. I like to eat them by themselves. I like to throw them on a stovetop and roast them a little bit. Some peppers to throw into our fajitas or tacos, whatever we end up making. Some red potatoes for our roast chicken. Avocado, we love avocado. I got some onion for one night. I don't know, I might make a Mediterranean salad. And then some onions. You can always have onions to caramelize them, to throw them into a soup, whatever you need. Lemons. Oh, those are limes. Whoa, my screen really must be broken. Limes, lemons, garlic, and some bananas. And then lastly, a bunch of sweet potatoes because we love our sweet potatoes. Woo, I'm out of breath. All right, I'm going to put all this stuff away and I'll see you guys in a little bit. The refrigerator before and the refrigerator after it's stocked. Bam, we are all stocked. Everything is put in. Just gotta shut the drawers and it's looking good. Hopefully for the next couple of weeks we can stay fully stocked and not have to worry about it. For lunch today, I'm having dill salmon with some salad on the side with this dressing. This is the Brianna's Homestyle poppy seed dressing. I've heard really good things about this, so I wanted to try it. It's pretty clean ingredients in the back, and it's pretty dang good. It says it would be good on peaches. I guess that's why there's a peach on the front, but I'm really weird about dressings. Like, I don't really like store-bought dressings, but I also don't like to make dressings. So when I saw someone recommend this, I was like, I'll give it a try, and I really do like this brand, so I'm going to try a few others next time I go to a regular grocery store and not Trader Joe's. Hey guys, guys, so it's been a few hours since I last showed you my lunch and we did our little grocery haul. It wasn't little, what am I talking about? It was huge, what am I kidding? So I thought I would make some dinner with you guys and then kind of end the vlog here. What do we think about that? Let's do it. So I found this recipe on Pinterest from Chef de Home for chicken Slovaki. I think that's how you say it, but it looks really good, and I have all the ingredients that I just picked up from Trader Joe's, so I thought we would try it for tonight to have kind of like a Greek chicken kebab situation for dinner. So we're gonna make the marinade with some extra virgin olive oil. It says about 3 tablespoons, so I'm just kind of eyeballing it. That looks about good to me. Now it calls for 3 tablespoons of oregano. This is from my aunt's farm that we got for Christmas as one of our gifts. So I'm just going to take my little tablespoon and fill it up. Actually, I probably need 2 hands for this, so hold, please. Ah! Okay, well, we'll work with what we got here. Now I'm really going to put this down. Hold on.
The ones that we ate together.
You're sassy pants. That's what you are.
Don't put that in your video.
You didn't even get on video. Alright, so now the recipe calls for 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. So we're just going to chop this bad boy up. Ryan and I love garlic. We just love huge chunks of it. This calls for minced garlic, so I'm going to kind of mince it. I'm going to kind of mince it. Can you guys even see what I'm doing? I really hope you are. Obviously, it's going to be in the marinade, so I kind of want to make it smaller so that it sticks more onto the chicken and it just doesn't get wasted if it's already like left over in the marinade, because you have to throw the marinade out. I don't have a mincer. I guess I should get one of those, but I find it therapeutic to chop my own food. It's just kind of a thing that calms me, so we're just gonna kind of mince it and pretend like I'm my own mince chopper tool. A little ASMR action. So now we take the stinky garlic and toss this into our marinade bowl. Voila, gorgeous. Now I'm trying to find the cumin and I can't find it anywhere. I'm so sick of having all of my spices like this. Oh, found the cumin. Thank the Lord. I was so freaking frustrated that I pulled out every single spice so that I could find where the cumin was. This is annoying. I need to organize this. I need to find a new spot because this spot is not working for me. Also, a bunch of dye from one of my projects spilled all the way down the wall, so there's that thing I have to clean up. Half a teaspoon of cumin into the mix. Time to chop a whole lemon. Wham! Half and half. Just love the look of citrus fruits. So we're going to put half a lemon. Oh, I got a seed in there. This is why we strain it beforehand, but we're just gonna pick that little seed out and keep going. We're gonna use the other half and make it 1 whole lemon in here. Get those juices flowing because this is gonna create the moisture to your chicken. So I was looking at some other recipes and they said if you take a tablespoon of Greek yogurt that this makes the chicken nice and juicy as well. So I'm all for some juicy chicken and I'm going to mix this all together and then we're going to cut up the chicken and marinate it for about an hour. Yes, baby, blend together. Look at that. I should probably whisk the yogurt so that it emulsifies a lot better than this. 1 sec. Grab my cute little whisk. I love mini things. Mini whisks, mini spatulas. Yeah, this is so much better. Get it all blended. Oh, I wish you guys could smell it through your smell-o-vision, but you can't. Okay, so I got the chicken all chopped up and it's now in the marinade. It's just 1 chicken breast because it's just for 2 of us and I want to use the other half of the chicken breast for something else later in this week. In about 15 minutes, I'm going to come back and flip these chickens over so that the other side can get some juices, and then I'll see it in about probably 30 minutes. An hour is kind of extreme. I'm hungry. We'll see you in 30. The chicken is sizzling. Oh, I'm so excited. It looks so good. I have it on medium to high heat, so we're just going to let it cook, and then I'm going to flip it over with some tongs. Look at this char. This is going to be good, you guys. This is going to be good. I think we have a winning recipe here. Sorry, I'm also watching Emily Jackson. She's like one of my favorite Instagrammers. She's live on Instagram, so I'm just watching her, and then I'm making this chicken, and then I'm going to heat up some of the pita bread. So here we have some garlic Indian style flatbread. I really like this kind because it has a lot of protein rather than your typical pita bread. It has 7 grams of protein in one. It's a little bit higher in calories, but I haven't eaten bread or any kind of carbohydrate today, so it's fine. And I did like a really heavy, intense workout. I love homemade tzatziki, but I'm just not in the mood to whip out a whole homemade tzatziki dip right now. Some Mediterranean style hummus. I love this kind. It's so good at Trader Joe's. Everything's from Trader Joe's, by the way. There's a theme because we just went there to shop. Some Trader Joe's organic microgreens. This is going to be my like salad portion, green portion of my little sandwich I have. And then some dill. I am obsessed with dill lately. I want dill on everything that I eat. I don't know why I'm such a dill fanatic, but I really am, and it's the perfect time to use it because this is like a Greek-ish dish, even though this is Indian flatbread. But I think my chicken's done, so I'm going to get that and then plate this little dinner. Dinner is complete. It looks so yummy. I have some brown rice cooking for Ryan because he wasn't really into the whole pita bread, but I cannot wait to eat this. I hope you guys enjoyed this little cook with me Trader Joe's haul, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Eat with your eyes.